In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relations in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to connect items across databases so your information stays linked, consistent, and easy to navigate. Start in the database where you want the new connection to live. Open the Properties panel and click the plus icon to add a new property. This creates a new column in your database, which is where your links to other pages will appear. From the Property Type menu, choose Relation. A relation lets you link one entry in this database to one or more entries in another database. So think of it like creating a smart reference between two lists, such as tasks and projects, or clients and meetings. When the relation setup dialog opens, select the database you want to connect to. If you have many databases, use the search bar to quickly find the right one. It's important to pick the exact database that contains the pages you want to reference. Next, turn on the two-way relation option. This ensures Notion automatically creates a matching relation in the other database, so links work in both directions. That way, when you open a related page on the other side, you'll immediately see where it's connected back to in this database. Give your relation a clear name. Choose something descriptive that matches how your team thinks about the connection, like project, client, or related docs. Consistent naming makes your columns easy to scan and reduces confusion later. Click Add Relation to create it. You'll see the new relation column appear in your database, and behind the scenes, Notion also creates the corresponding property in the linked database. Now, under the newly created relation column, click an empty cell in the row you want to link. A selector will pop up showing pages from the related database. This is where you'll choose the specific page or pages you want to associate with this entry. Select a page from the list. You can search by title if you don't see it right away. Once selected, you'll see the page appear as a linked chip in the cell, confirming the connection. Click that linked page to jump straight into the other database's entry. This is a fast way to move between connected items without losing context. On the page you just opened, you'll also see the relation mirrored back to your original database. This confirms the link is two-way and working as intended, making cross-database navigation seamless. That's it. With a well-named two-way relation in place, you can keep your information connected, reduce duplication, and move confidently between related work.